Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create an email on the updated version of Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, you should now see the updated version of the application Microsoft Outlook on screen for us, ready to use. So for us to compile an email, make sure that you are signed into the account and then go to the left hand side top corner where we have new email. If we click on this, we can either hover over this and this will allow us to create an email, event, or new contact. We want to create a new email. Click on this. That's fine. That should now open up a window within. Before I compile the email, let's now click on got it. After it says a sent email can now be cancelled. That's fine. Choose a wait period up to 20 seconds after you've sent a message. That's fine. We will also look to do that. So what I was saying is, in the previous tutorials or versions of the application, once we were to click on new email, it would open up a brand new window on screen for us to compile the email. But in this tutorial and in the updated version, that's no longer the case. Everything now is in one place as it would be on the web browser version, so that's fine. This is from the admin account. This is now going to the Computer Science Videos business@gmail.com. That's fine. Let's click on this. Let's choose a subject. Let's just say trial email. Let's go in the email and compile a brand new email. Dear CSV, please see the email. Kind regards, admin. Let's now send the email. We can choose to schedule send, but in this tutorial, we're looking to send the email directly from the account on the updated version of the application. So that itself has been sent. If we go to the sent section, we can see that we have sent an email to admin@computersciencevideosbusiness.com. Let's now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Open up the application, wait for that to load. Go to Gmail, and we can see the email has come through. Dear CSV, please see the email. Kind regards from admin. That's fine. We can now quit Google Chrome. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook. We can now quit Outlook. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.